Welcome, this is the homework solution for Wednesday, August the 14th. Here it says apply the following transformation for each figure reflected over a vertical line, reflected across a horizontal line, and reflected over a diagonal line. Okay, so understand that what I did is I just separated them in, I just went down 1, 2, 3, 4 here, and on the left, I just wrote which reflection I'm going to do. Okay, reflect over a vertical, reflect over a horizontal line, and reflect over a diagonal. Okay, so let me just draw it out in brown here. Vertical line, that is up and down. Okay, horizontal line, that is left to right. Diagonal can either be this way or this way. Okay, diagonal means just it's across. Okay, so for this one, I'm probably just go left to right. Right, good. So let me just grab all this. Okay, and I'm going to bring it down here as well for number 2. Right, for number 2. I'm going to do number 2 down here. Then I'm going to do that again for 3, which is going to be down here. So I'm going to move this down. Okay. And 4. Right here. Good. Do you see how I just organized it? Okay. Alright, the first one. So the pre-image, I'm going to keep on the left. All my pre-image, I'm going to keep over the left, right? Okay. So, flipped across the vertical. Right click, rotate. Boom. Alright, so watch it again. Here you go. Rotate. Boom. Okay, it mirrors it perfectly, right? Because the reflection creates a mirror. Good. And the new one is going to be red. I will always fill that in with red. Okay, likewise, here's the original. Right click, rotate, flip it. There you go. That will also be red. The diagonal is very tricky. Okay, the diagonal is really tricky. Let's see if I can do it. Paste it here. Oops, sorry. I'm gonna paste it. See if I can rotate it. Can I? Can I rotate it? Can I rotate it? No. No. Looks very weird. Okay, so let's see. Should look like. Hold on, give me a second. Okay. Should. I'm not gonna ask you to do the diagonal, but I'm just gonna show you it. It looks like this. Rotate left, yeah. Should look like something like this. Okay? And this should be red. Hopefully it fills. Yep, there you go. So that's vertical, okay, across, left to right. Horizontal goes up to down. Here, diagonal, it goes from this side, jumps to that side. Do you see how it's still a mirror? It's still a wing. Okay. Alright, now I'm going to do it for this one. Here are all the pre-images. I'm going to put all the pre-images out. Okay. Alright, now I'm going to reflect it. This one's going to be reflected. Right click, reflected. That's how it looks like when it reflects over the vertical line. Right click, rotate. That's how it's going to look like when it flips across the horizontal. Do you see how it's symmetrical? Symmetrical. Okay. Last one. Rotate 90 degrees. Nope, rotate. Let's see. Nope, it's wrong. Right click. Paste. Rotate left. Is that right? Nope, that's not right. We rotate it again. So, nope, rotate it to the right. Nope. Nope, that does not look like. Does that look right? Nope. it should look something like this. It should look something like this. Let's see if I can try to draw it. It should look something like this. Here. Here. And here. Should look something like that. Do you see how it mirrors right here? This should also mirror. Okay. Light blue fill. Okay, should look something like that. Okay. Again, the diagonal is not going to be on the test. Reflect across a vertical. This is easy. So I'm going to place all the pre-images out first. Okay. Okay. Grab this, paste, right, vertical line, boom, there you go. Horizontal line here, right, flip it, horizontal, right, same thing. So there you go. That's how it looks like when it's horizontal, right? If I do this diagonal, it flips, it's like this as well. Okay. Notice, okay, it's still symmetrical. Do you see how here it's symmetrical left to right, here symmetrical up and down, here symmetrical side to side, right? Like a diagonal. Here, same thing. Okay? It is symmetrical left to right, symmetrical up and down, symmetrical diagonal. Okay? Alright. Last one, the fourth one. Let me just grab all the pre-images. Oops, sorry, I forgot to do something. Remember, the new ones are always red, so let me just color code those for you. Sorry. Right, the new ones are red. Alright, so reflect, that's red. Reflect over the horizontal, that's red. Reflect over diagonal, that becomes red. Right, that's how you distinguish what's the pre-image and what is the image. Okay, so let's grab this and let's start reflecting. Alright, here I reflect it, so right click, rotate. That's how it looks like, symmetrical. Starts here, reflect, rotate. Boom, reflect that over the horizontal. You see how it goes from up, down, and here. Let's see if I can do this. Rotate. It should look like. Rotate it. Let's see, rotate it again. No, rotate it again. No. It should look like something like this. Let's see if I can draw it out. Look, it should look something like. Even visually, it's hard to draw. Hold on, let me bring up something. Okay, hold on, let me bring up something. It's so much easier. Okay, I want to bring up PowerPoint, okay, and you're going to see why. I'm going to grab this into PowerPoint, and you're going to see how it's so much easier to do it in PowerPoint because PowerPoint allows you to do something. Okay, watch this. Watch this. It's amazing. Okay, so I'm going to grab the pre-image. Right? Okay. So here was the pre-image, right? So it rotates this, it rotates a certain way. So should it look like that? Nope. It needs to form something symmetrical, so I have to rotate it. No, no, like this. No, should it look like this? No. Maybe I have to flip it first. Hold on. Format, rotate it. Oh, yes, yes, I got it. I finally got it. Okay. Because if it's like this, it's like this, the other one would look like that. So it should look like this. Okay, here, let me see. Okay, if this is like this, the other one would look like this. No, the other one would look like Let me flip it again. So the other one would look like this, okay? Okay, so this was my idea. So these two are reflection over vertical, right? But this one is turned. So let's see. So if I turn it, oh, oops, sorry. Oops, so if I turn this one this way, this means this one needs to be turned this way. Yeah, that's right. So if it's turned this way, then this is turned this way. So there you go. That's how that should look like across the diagonal. Yeah, that's right. So let me bring up the paint. So it should look like you know it. Okay, whoops, sorry. It should look like what was on the PowerPoint. That one. Okay, there you go. And that would be red. Okay, so I just have to do that in. I have to do that in PowerPoint so for you to see it. Okay, but again, this is a little bit difficult. Try your best, but that's how it would look like. Okay, let me just leave you with that image. Okay, that's how you reflect across the diagonal. Do you see how it's still symmetrical? Right? You see the wings? Right? The wings. Okay, there you go. Those are all your homework solutions for Wednesday. Right? This is Wednesday. Yep.